thrilled to share with you our fantastic new AgendaWorx AI Minutes tool powered by cutting-edge AI. This game changer creates professional minutes straight from your board pack and meeting recording, saving you heaps of time and effort. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the absolute most of it. Get ready to supercharge your productivity. First, picture yourself working faster and smarter than ever before. The AI takes on an astonishing 70% or even 80% of the heavy lifting, drafting your minutes with brilliant efficiency. You'll still have the chance to shine by adjusting, adding, or deleting sections where the AI might miss a nuance or go into too much detail. That's where your human brilliance comes in. You pay for AI to handle the grunt work, but you get paid to add that irreplaceable human touch. It's empowering and lets you focus on what really counts. Our AI is built on the phenomenal technology developed by industry leaders like OpenAI, Anthropic, and xAI. We've poured hours and days into testing, tweaking, retesting, and retweaking top-notch prompts to ensure you get the absolute best results for your minutes. If the output isn't quite hitting the mark, don't worry, just chat with us. We're thrilled to assist, and we'll happily fine-tune the prompts for your specific needs to make those minutes perfect. 98% of everything said in meetings, transcribing what it hears with flawless accuracy. But, just like a human, it relies on clear audio to work its magic. For stellar results, ensure you have a high-quality recording. In a lively boardroom where not everyone's on Teams, consider placing consultants on the opposite side with their devices tuned in, or invest in room microphones to pick up every voice clearly. The AI might miss a sentence if people talk over each other, like those spirited interruptions. But a great recording setup will keep those misses to a minimum. You're setting the stage for success. The format of your AI-generated minutes will look a touch different, and that's exciting because it's built for modern efficiency. For example, paragraphs will neatly start beneath numbers rather than beside them. But trust me, it's sleek and professional. Hundreds of employee benefit consultants have been using it with rave reviews for years. Ask yourself, can you embrace this streamlined numbering to save hours, even days, on creating minutes? It's a no-brainer for that massive time boost. Here's a pro tip. The AI excels at pulling details from your agenda, but it can't read attachments. If you want specific details in your minutes that weren't discussed in the meeting for the transcript to capture, simply include them directly in the agenda content. Easy, and it ensures your minutes are thorough and accurate. For tables, a quick tweak makes all the difference. Word sometimes uses half-width borders, which websites can't read, so just switch them to a clean one point in Word before copying. Done and dusted. Also, keep tables in portrait orientation for the best user experience. Since people access AgendaWorx on mobiles too, landscape tables might shrink too small. Need a wider layout? Pop it in as an attachment. Flexibility at its finest. That's it. You're now equipped to unlock the full power of our AI Minutes tool. It's transformative, time-saving, and designed to make your life easier. If you need any tweaks or have questions, we're here to help with a smile. Dive in, experiment, and watch your workflow soar. Thanks for watching. Let's make your meetings magnificent with AgendaWorx. Work smarter, not harder. Start today.